All right, everybody. These were my, I was saving these. Had them hidden off, and Blue Marlin found them and said, hey, let's bust those. So these are for my pal bluemarlin528. He's got 3 boxes of 2010 Bowman Draft. My last 3 boxes. So let's see what we can get out of these. I wasn't doing breaks when 2010 came out, so I was busting personal stuff in 2010, and what I thought was the real money maker was Topps Chrome. Was Topps Chrome because it had the rookies in it, you know, and rookies are what you want, not these prospect cards. So that was my 2010. I was just getting back into baseball in 2010. Russell Wilson. And that was my big idea, was to bust Topps Chrome. Hunting the elusive Steven Strasburg. Nelson Rodriguez. USA. Mickey Wiswall. Strasburg, Chrome rookie. Yeah. Yeah, I did that. Zach Green. You know what else I did? But you know what hooked me is the first case I bought of Topps Chrome. I bought it on eBay, and I bought it from Blowout Cards. I think your auto's right here. No, it's just a Carson Kelly refractor. I bought it from Blowout on eBay, and it was like $400. And the first box I opened, I hit a gold Strasburg auto, you know, which I was able to sell for $400. And then I immediately thought, you know, I could sell the rest of these boxes and basically have a $300+ profit. And then I proceeded to just open them all anyway. I did hit another Strasburg, though. I hit 2 Strasburg autos. And I had 2 USA autos in there, too. It was pretty nice. Justin O'Connor is your first auto. He's a Ray. Justin O'Connor. And, of course, hitting those, you know, those 2 Strasburg autos, especially the gold, I was hooked, you know. Noah Syndergaard. Albert Almora, USA. Mike Olt. Deck McGuire. Manny Machado, base. That's what we need to hit you. It's a nice colored Machado auto. Andrelton Simmons, Chrome. Yeah, I did good with the redemption packs. Russell Wilson Chrome. I got one of the colors of Posey, and I got one of the colors of, man, I can't remember. I can't remember the other name I wanted. I think it might have been Strasburg. Drew Butera refractor. Yeah, could be. Could be. But I really enjoyed Topps Chrome, you know, because you had all those names you were looking for. Like you said, there was the Hayward and you've got Ryan Burr, USA Auto. Little bonus auto there. And Stanton and Strasburg and Castro and Hayward. So you had like these big four guys you were looking for. Lucas Sims. Matt Harvey. If we hit a Matt Harvey auto, I hope it's one of the live ones. Alright, so that was your first box. That was a ho-hum box. That was not a good box. But you did get the bonus auto, so a little something. Make some room in this trash can here. Thought that pack was super thick. It's just sitting weird. Switch it around. John Jay. Delino DUI to Shields. Blake Forsythe. Zach Cox. Got a blue Wade Davis. A blue Wade Davis. Where'd he end up going? I know he went to Kansas City and didn't do well there, but didn't he sign with somebody else? Cleveland or something like that. Chance Ruffin. Aaron Sanchez. He's still a Royal? Okay. Manny Machado and Chavez Clark for the Angels. Chavez Clark for the Angels is your auto, on-card auto. And you've got a Manny Machado Chrome. The Biddler. Cody Wheeler and Ryan Hughes refractor. I'm going to have to hit you a big auto in this last box. Bryce Brents. Josh Sale. Throws pocket change of hookers. The Biddler. Jesse Biddle. Marquez, Justin O'Connor, Yasmani Grandal, Dominic Brown, and Nick Longmire. Johnny Venters, blue paper. Danny Worth and Jake Skoll. Ryan Burr, USA. Dave Filak. And Matt Sushak. Remember when this Super was hit? And the guy got him. He was this PC player and ended up, it was like his 4th break that year, and ended up hitting the Super. Who was that? Corner Store, right? Wasn't that his name? Corner Store? I think that was the first Super I'd ever seen, you know, pulled. Yeah, it'd be cool to go to the home run derby. Sit in the outfield and catch one of those gold balls. That'd be awesome, wouldn't it? Matt Harvey Chrome. Albert Almora. Adrian Marin. That's a nice card. Buster Posey, rookie refractor. All right, bud. I'd grade the hell out of that card right there. Might get a 9 on centering because of the back, but you could gem that. Taiwan Walker, Ian Desmond, blue refractor. Strasburg. Blue, Jeffrey Marquez. Hayward and Grandal. Blue auto, Mike Folty. That's not bad, bud. Mike Folty, blue auto for the Astros. 68 out of 150. What's he doing now? I heard people were still talking about him. Mike Folty for the Astros. I'm glad I hit you a colored auto. And I'm glad it was a decent name, too. Stephen Pryor. Josh Rutledge. All right, good. All right, I just remembered people were talking pretty big about him, so that's good. Let me give you the number. I don't know if I gave it to you. Yeah, I did. 68 out of 150 is the number. Who in the world's texting me now? Christian Cologne. All right, Mr. Adam Chuck. See you later. Wow. Nice hit, bud. Caleb Coart at a 230 AFLAC auto. Nice little bonus auto. That's a nice hit. I know you were hoping for Harper, but still, Caleb Coart. There you go. And a Strasburg Chrome. Alex Bregman. Albert Almora refractor. It's another nice card. Corey Seager. Leon Landry. 2 packs left. Matt Olson. And Cameron Rupp. All right, bud. Well, that last box was good. First 2 boxes were not as good. All right, so let me show you what you got here. Got an Almora refractor. Caleb Coart, AFLAC. 171 out of 230 on the Coart. You've got a Mike Folty auto. Blue refractor. 68 out of 150. Desmond Buster Posey refractor rookie. Nice card. Chavez Clark. Wade Davis, he's a Ray and a Royal. Ryan Burr, USA auto, and Justin O'Connor. All right. Justin O'Connor is still in our top, he's still one of our top prospects. Yeah, last box with the save. I know. I was thinking the same thing. I was like, man, if I pull another Chavez Clark, he's going to kill